This, my friends, is the Alps Mountaineering Stealth Bivy, and in this episode, I am waterproof testing it. My name is Luke, this is the Outdoor Gear Review. I do appreciate you all tuning in. Recently, I put up my preview of this bivy, and I wasn't impressed. First off, there were components missing, so I couldn't set it up correctly. At the same time, the overall design of this bivy was not very good. It's not very good. I do not know if this is going to leak or not. That's a big question mark for me, but this is just part of the testing that I have to do with every shelter that I review. After I put up my preview of this shelter, I heard from someone from Alps Mountaineering, and they let me know some information that is pretty much vital for everyone to know, but unfortunately, they do not share this information with their customers. I was told that the Stealth Bivy was designed for dry, arid environments, which again is something that people need to know. According to Alps Mountaineering, that justifies the design decisions that they made with this shelter. As I said before, this is information that their customers need to know, and I requested that they add that information to their website and their product listings for this product. Because the simple fact is this: bivvies are used all around the world in all sorts of environments. Those that are humid, those that are wet, those that are dry, those that are snowy, so on and so forth. And because of that, the company really does need to disclose to their customers what this product was designed for. Before I shared this information with you all, I asked Alps Mountaineering if they wanted that information disclosed to you all, and they did say yes, which is a good thing. But again, unfortunately, at the time of filming this episode, they have not put any sort of disclaimers or warnings on this product page. With that being said, the company claims that this was designed to be waterproof, and that is what we're going to test out. It's fully set up, it's staked out, the storm flaps are secure, and it's ready to go. That leaves us with the almighty question: is this bivy going to leak? Put your predictions down below. My predictions, I don't know. My experiences with Alps Mountaineering have been all over the place. I've had some products that leak, some that don't, so this really could go any which way. As an update, everybody, it has been raining for roughly 1 hour. The intensity has really picked up, and it's raining quite hard at the moment. For this rain test episode, I have set up a tarp over my 4Runner, and that is my home base. I'm able to stay dry while keeping an eye out on this tent. So far, this has been an excellent rain test for this shelter, but we're not done yet. It's going to rain for hours and hours longer. With this test, it's all about putting this tent through its paces to see whether or not it's waterproof. We're not talking about a short duration rain event. We're talking about prolonged rain of varying intensities. That is how I waterproof test a shelter here at the Outdoor Gear Review. While the rain has slacked off for just a minute, I want to give you all a quick update. It has been raining for over 3.5 hours now. The Stealth 1 bivy has been out in the rain the entire time. Without a doubt, we've done an excellent test with this tent. But the thing is this: we're not done yet. This is going to be a long duration rain testing event. My plan is to let this tent sit out here for another 2 hours or so. And right before dark, we'll check on the tent and we'll see whether or not it has leaked. This test will result in roughly 6 hours of this tent being out in the rain. And everybody, I cannot wait to see whether or not this has leaked. I just don't know. I have no idea. As it stands right now, it is about 10 minutes before sundown. That means this bivy has been out in the rain for almost 7 hours. That is 7 constant hours out in the rain, with the majority of it being moderate to heavy. Do you all think this shelter has leaked? Let's find out. I should mention to everybody, most of the time when it comes to a bivy, you would have a tarp. But on occasion, it will rain when you don't have a tarp and you're using a bivy. That's why I've done this test. We need to know whether or not this is waterproof on its own. We have a pool of water here in the side, in the corner. There's one drop over here, but primarily it's over here in the corner. There's a huge puddle of water that's come through somewhere over here. I do not see any drops over here, so it's not from this part of the bivy, but again, over here in this corner somewhere. It looks like right here, this is the leaking point. To me, it looks like it's been leaking from this point right here and then going down into this corner. With this bivy here, it features a 2,000 millimeter hydrostatic head rating, but that means nothing if the quality is bad. Where the tent is leaking at, there's some sort of defect, the seam tape, it's not doing its job, and now the tent is full of water. Unfortunately, this bivy is simply not waterproof. And it goes back to the overall quality of this product. When I purchased this product, I set it up. It didn't even come with all of the components to actually set it up. As far as this bivy goes, obviously the quality is bad. The design is very poor. There's no reason to purchase this, really. I paid $120 for this product, and it is without a doubt not worth the price. It would be my advice not to purchase this product from Alps Mountaineering. It is poorly designed, the quality is bad, it leaks. For just a little bit more, you could get amazing bivvies that are fully waterproof, that feature amazing breathability, that have some really great features that this lacks. So, as it stands right now, my opinion on this is to avoid it. If you have enjoyed this episode and found it helpful, hit the thumbs up. It helps the channel quite a bit. Consider subscribing if you want to. Everyone, take care, be well, strength and honor. I am done. I am ready to go home and to dry some gear out. Speaking of which, while testing this out, I was also testing out 2 other tents. They didn't leak. This is the only shelter that did. Alps Mountaineering, you need to reevaluate what you're doing. Check your designs, check your quality. Folks, take care. Strength and honor. Bye for now.